Hey everyone, it's April 3rd, and today we're going to rename the Canvas Learning Management System. You're going to be learning the 7 different naming categories that businesses use, so let's get into it right now. So you're going to go to Canvas, and you're going to watch this video, and in this video you are going to be learning about the 7 different categories of how to name things, and you're going to paraphrase or define what he's talking about. Just very, very short little sentence. Then you're going to rename Canvas using each of the 7 categories. You might want to open your Google Notes, see some of the features that might give you a hint. Then you're going to brainstorm 7 different names. They don't have to all be 7 different names. They can be a version or extension of a clever name you may want to use more than once. Just make it stand out and make it meet the rules of those 7 different categories. So we're going to go over eponymous and listen to this part of the TED video.
Falls within one of these 7 categories. Eponymous names like Disney and Burberry work by embodying the vision and beliefs of their founders. These names are okay if you're feeling lazy or just have a big ego. Adidas is more unique. It's derived from Adi Dassler, the company's founder. And Tesla wasn't created by Nikola Tesla. He died in 1943, but the name is an homage to Tesla's electrical engineering achievements.
Okay, so the names of the companies is how eponymous works. Now, the instructor or the creator of Canvas was made by Brian Whitmer and Devin Daly. Maybe you can do something with those 2 names for your example in eponymous. Okay, so I gave you some ideas there. I see something in those 2 names that you could probably use. And then you could use a version of those names, or you could use completely different names for number 2 for descriptive, number 3 for acronymic, and on and on. So email me if you have any questions. Alrighty, take care.